Everglades Day. Yeah. We got awesome empanadas. We got an ice cream truck. We got a barbecue truck. Let's go. What are we gonna have? Ice cream. Old-fashioned ice cream. Ice cream. Bunch of vendors. Extra over there. Archery over there. They have the killer demonstration.
We're going to try to switch positions here in a second. There you go. If that snake were to have wound up along Theo's arm, I would have been her only way to get out of that position. But honestly, your partner is your second best tool behind your snake hook. She could not have done that pin if I wasn't there to distract that snake.